So, starting and ending an application. Before going into that, just want to go quickly over start a form. It's basically the form when you start the whole application up, the first form which you see. In this class, we don't have to worry about assigning a startup form because we'll probably be working with one form, not multiple. But if you end up in the future, like having to deal with several forms at once, then you can come back to these slides, these two slides, where it tells you exactly how to specify which form to be used as a startup form. So basically, for us, the first form we work with is going to be by default the startup form, so we don't have to worry about it. So starting an application, if you want to start it um, from Visual Studio itself, it's pretty easy. You just click on the debug menu and click start debugging, or you save the solution. I mean, in any case, you have to save the solution, and you can press F5, which is the keyboard shortcut, and also like the start button on the standard toolbar. So let's go and try this. So you see this is saved. I already saved it. So let's try start, and it's taking some time to compile the whole code, and it says build succeeded, and now we should see some form. Here you go. This is the form. So this is our application. We can just close it from here if we want to. Now let's try some other way to um, start it. So we are going to debug and say start debugging. Again, the same thing. We can either close it from here, or we can test the button we created. Remember the close me button. So close me. So the button works. Now I'm just gonna hit F5 on my keyboard, and the same thing happens. So again, I close it. Now this is for inside Visual Basic. Actually, there has been a file created, uh, an exe file, which we can just click as any user and then see the form. And for me, I think it's in my documents, and I go to Visual Studio and projects, the project I'm working on right now, test application, and then bin, and then debug. And you see this exe file. So click on it, double click on it, and it'll open outside Visual Basic, and we see the form. So basically, wherever your projects are being saved, go to that folder, go on bin, debug, and the exe file.